Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Kia Sportage. Now this is the Kia Sportage 2 ISG model, so it's the petrol engine and it's the middle of the range car. Now the vehicle is finished in the bright white paintwork and it's sat on these absolutely as new 17-inch alloy wheels. Now they're all shod in fantastic tyres. This car, as I've looked round it, you can tell it's been really well looked after and maintained. There's 4 service stamps in the book. The first 3 are all at the Kia main dealership, and then we've got 1 at an independent dealer. Now this car itself, as I say, is in white, but the paintwork on it is absolutely gorgeous. Now it's only done just under 39,000 miles and is in super order. So this being the facelift car, has the newer spot lamps in the bumper, gets the newer style headlamps and gets this later style grille. Very sort of BMW followed suit with this particular type of front end also. When you look round the vehicle, it's in absolutely wonderful order. The paintwork, the doors, everything about it is in exceptional order. Taking a look down the sides where there's no trolley dents. Now the Kia Sportage 2 gets the privacy glass in the rear. We then get the alloy wheels, we get the reversing camera, as well as parking sensors on the rear. Internally, it's loaded up with satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, cruise control, leather trim steering wheel, etc. So a very nice specified car. All the modern features which people have for driving around now. Driver's side's in, again, superb order, free from trolley dents. Any little pencil touch-ins, our detailing department will have done those before it goes on sale. And also when it goes into workshop, we'll remove the wheels, we'll wash them inside out, we'll paint the calipers and the discs so they look like brand new. Now when you come into a Kia, the quality of the material and everything inside is lovely. So 4 electric windows, we've got power folding door mirrors also. Do have 2 keys for this vehicle as well as a fully stamped up service book. But the seats themselves are very nice, they're sporty, got a nice sports cloth with contrast stitch. Looking up at the dashboard, we do have a mileage then of 38,277. Just shut the door. Start her up. We have no warning lights or anything of impending needs checking, just a bit of low fuel. Well, that's acceptable. Multifunction steering wheel and cruise control. We've got then automatic wipers on the right and obviously the headlamps, which are also automatic, on the left. Now as I venture down the centre console, I'll press no, we don't need that on there, so that's asking me for fuel stations. We've got satellite navigation, press the home menu, and then that will go all the way through to everything that we need. All the menus are there, so we've got on there Android Auto, and we slide through Apple CarPlay, so you can control that through your phone as well. Climate control, air conditioning is all in the centre console, and then as we come down then we've got the auxiliary USB and 2 chargers. Turning the parking sensors off, and it's got a 6-speed gearbox. Select and reverse, we've got a aftermarket tow bar fitted as well. Doesn't really look like it's been used much, but it is on there. We've got the centre storage box, which is very nice. Passenger seat is in also as new order, and everything about the door cards and the dashboard is in lovely condition throughout. All the book pack of the central and locking wheel nut key is in the glove box. Have a look on the pictures. I've photographed all of the service documentation so you can view that, but everything is in lovely order. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper hasn't smoked in this car either. It smells lovely and fresh and still new. As you can see, the order of everything in here is absolutely A1 in every respect. There's nothing that would detract from this vehicle in any way. The videos are transparent of the vehicle, so you get a real feel for them if you're travelling from afar. We do offer the £250 reserve and then collect, so you can give me a call here in Wigan. We'll take a £250 deposit, and that will reserve the car. That will prepare that then for you, so you only have to visit us once. In the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, the interior is again in as new order. All the carpets are superb condition throughout. Electric windows in the back also as of the front. But quite honest with you, this car is in fantastic order. Tow bars there. If you want it removing before you pick it up, we will take that off for you. We don't want it, but Then opening the boot, we've got the load blind and then a lovely, spacious, clean boot. And then underneath there we've got the tyre mobility kit and further storage under that floor there. So 2018 registered car. Obviously you've got your balance of your manufacturer's warranty on the Kia range, which is quite extended over a longer period than most. 17-inch wheels, sat nav, Bluetooth, reverse camera, 4 service stamps in the book and 2 keys. Everything that was there when it was brand new is still available today, which is always great to hear. So if you'd like to reserve the car, as I say, give us a call. There's myself, Graham, there's Dominic and Lee. We'll all be happy to help you in any way we can. Have a look on Auto Trader, look at our reviews there. We're a 5-star dealer for customer care. Have a look on Facebook, you'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars from us, just like you're thinking of, and they've reserved it, we've prepared it, and then they've travelled and collected it. If you want finance, give us a call, we'll give you a quote there and then. If you've got a part exchange, we'll also give you a price on that. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.